So this is given for free Tibetan. Oh, okay.
Today we're outside of the Nepal mission to the United Nations in New York City, and we're here to drop off a letter signed by 139 organizations to urge Nepal to not allow the fake Panchen Lama to enter Nepal and to condemn China's interference in Nepal.
Nepal, stand for the truth. Nepal, stand
kami representation and हामी चाहिँ स्टुडेन्ट हामी डिफ्रेन्ट टिबेटन अर्गनाइजेसनबाट रिसेन्टली पञ्चन लामा विवेकको नाम हेरेको थियौँ न्युजमा त्यो चाइनाले अपरेट गरेको पञ्चन लामा चाहिँ नेपाल आउँदै छ भन्ने त्यो इस्युको लागि हामी कुरा गर्नु
Okay.
अनि रिसेन्टली केपिओजीले चाहिँ चाइनिज प्रेसिडेन्ट सी जिनपिङलाई भेटेको थियो अनि सी जिनपिङलाई भेट्दाखेरि टिबेटलाई चाहिँ फर्स्ट टाइमको लागि सिडाङ भन्दै गरेछ अनि सिडाङ So Shidang is a Chinese word for Tibet.
Lumbini, we know, is a very sacred place. It's the birthplace of Buddha. And so to allow a fake and illegitimate Panchen Lama who is appointed by the CCP to come and spin a web of lies at this conference, at this roundtable that is supposed to be happening within just the next couple of days is a disgrace, and such a sacred place should not be tainted by political agendas in this way.
Okay, understood. I cannot comment on anything that you have to express. I have got this.